Yes, take the next one. Problem number 14. Even money go much practice for you have to practice again. From the 11th term from the last term is problem number 14. Find 11th term. Find the 11th term from the last term. From the last term of the AP, last term of the AP, 10, 7, 4, so on, up to minus 62. Okay, fine. In this problem, you have to find out the 11th term from the last term of the AP. See here, solution. The problem has got two parts in it. Again, the question may appear for either 2 marks or even 3 marks. Let us see how to solve. I will tell you, first of all, you will find the 11th term from the last term. Ulta barbeku. From the last term, you have to carefully study. First of all, you have to get the last term. N is to be obtained. After getting N, you have to come back 11th term. 11th term, find the 11th term from the last term. Este term bartad nodi, aa term anna continue. Is the problem understood? So, what is the solution now? What is the first step? You already learnt it. What is the first step? Given you write the sequence first. You have 10, you have 7, 4, so on up to minus 62. Clear? Now, what is A in this case? A in this case is 10. Tell me. What is a D in this case? 10 minus 7. 3. What is the D in this case? 7 minus 10 is A2 minus A1. What do you get? A D is equal to 7 minus 10 will be how much? Minus 3. Even 4 minus 7 is also minus 3. Even you can check it. That is D is equal to A3 minus A2. Even if you take it, your D will be what? 4 minus 7, which is minus 3. D is fixed now. Now also you are given with AN is equal to what? Minus 62. Last term. AN is the last term, minus 62. Now the question is, what you are asked to find out? First of all, you have to find out what the number of terms continue. One guess sigudilla. After getting N, you have to find out what? 11th term from last. 11th term from Elinda? From last term. From last term, you have to find out. 11th term from the last term. Start now. We have, take the formula. We have, what is AN is equal to? AN is equal to A plus, just verify, N minus 1 into D. Now you write, what is AN is? AN is minus 62 is equal to, what is A is?
10.
A is how much? 10 plus, you write the N minus 1 into, what is the common difference? D is minus 3. Continue. You have minus 62 is equal to 10 plus, remove the bracket, plus into minus is minus 3 into N is 3N, minus into minus is plus 3 ones are 3. What do you get? Minus 62 is equal to 10 plus 3 is 13 minus 3n. You continue now to solve 3n. Left. Take a minus 3n to the left, becomes what? Plus 3n. Take a minus 62 to the right. What do you get? Plus 62 will get 13 plus 62. Clarify the doubts. Add them. you will get a 3n is equal to n ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ 75 means you can get n as 75 divided by what 3. Now cancel it. On cancellation you get 3 ones are 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Means your answer n is equal to 25. So 25th term is the last term. Means this is a 25th term. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರಬೇಕು? So from 25th ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಾನು? 11th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಯ್ತು? 11th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದು 25th, 24, 23rd, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 19, 18, 17, 16 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 15 means the 11th term from the last ಏನದು is ಏನದು 15th term ಹೆಂಗ ಇದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. So 15th term A15, A16 ಗೊತ್ತಾತ, A17, A18 ಹೌದಾ, A19, A20, A21 ಹೌದಾ, A22, A23, A24, A25. Are you getting me? ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರೋಣ ಈಗ. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th and 11th. From the last 11th term is 15th term. That you have to find out. Confuse ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. So now you can get A. ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಈಗ? A. Yes. A15 is equal to, what do you get? A15 is equal to, you can get now A plus yesterday 14D. Do you agree with me? A plus 14D. A plus 14D. What you can get is A15 is equal to, what is A value? Substitute. A value is 10, right? Plus 14 into, what is the D value? D illedala minus 3. You can get A15 is equal to 10 plus into minus is minus 14 3s are 42. You can get A15 is equal to 10 minus 42. How much? Minus 32. Any doubts? Clear to you? So ಇವತ್ತಿಂಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನಿ. And today you just continue problems up to from 7th ತನಕ ನೀನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ 7th 1 ಇಂದ ನಂಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you can go up to 17 homework to you from 7 to 17, right? ಇವತ್ತು 7 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನಿ. ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ನೀವು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾಳೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೌಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.